Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial. In today's lecture, you will learn about how to generate high quality contour from digital elevation model. You can see that I prepared this contour map in GIS software with the help of contours tool. So if you want to generate high quality contour and want to highlight the contour with specific intervals such like that, here you can see this is 3500 and this one is 4000. After that you can check the interval of 500. So in this lecture I would like to show you how to generate such type of contour in GIS software. So first remove this all. Now and also remove this one. So I have a digital elevation model. Now I will choose the area for which area I want to generate contour map. So after that I am going to drawing tool and put a rectangle here and make a rectangle on study area like that, and go to table of content and here right click on DEM and data and export the data and save the data where you want to save this study area map. If you want to change location you can change it, connect with the folder and here you change the location for that map. So I want to save at that location, so click on save. Now here you can see that would you like to add the exported data to the map as a layer. Yes, I want to add it. Now uncheck this or remove this one. Here you can see delete this rectangle and I extract this by using drawing tool and export it into new location. So click on that and zoom to layer. So I show you how to generate contour map for that area. So first go to our toolbox. In our toolbox go to data analyst tool and click on raster surface and click on contour. So input the raster image. Here you can change also output location for your map, for your contour mapping, and also change the map name to the contour mapping. So here you can give the contour interval. You can see here is the elevation of your study area. Here the elevation is start from, this is the lowest value and this is the high value. So I will start contouring from low value. Here let's suppose I want to contour from 200 value. Contour interval is 200. If you want to change the location for your map you can change from there. And now I just put this output location, so click on OK. Now you can see that the contour are generated. After that go to table of content. If you want to change the color of contour lines you can change it from here. Let's suppose I want to change it into this color or this color. Okay, so now it will be good to change the contour interval with the specific values. So first go to selection and here click on select by attribute. After that you can click on contour and here you can see there is click on N. After that click this one. Now you can give the interval, specific interval which you want. So I want to give a specific interval to here in this bracket. inside this bracket, like 500, 1000, 1500. I give the specific interval of 500 meter. So it depends upon your study area or your required which you want to add it. So I just simply show you how to add this value. 2000, 25,000. I started from low value up to high value. So if you see here in my study area, highest value is 5242. So I stop it on 5000 because the other value is less than 5500. So I start from low elevation or from low contouring, which is 500 and 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, so up to 5000. So I will click on apply. These will be highlighted. Here you can see that these are highlighted. And now go to attribute table of this contour, and here add a field. Field name is, give a name to the field. And type is short integer. So click on OK. Now here you can see that the field is added. Now go to editor and start the editing, and here right click on contour pencils and go to field calculator and give the value of 500 because our interval is 500 and we want to highlight 500 of interval to the contour map. So click on OK. Here is, you can see 500 meter interval are selected. Now close this box and go to properties of the contour. And go to first symbology and go to categories, and here field will be changed into contour planes and add all values, and here change the color of that one. And if you want to increase the width size, you can also increase it. Okay, now apply on it and go to labels. Here label feature in this layer, check in this label feature now, and go to the method we follow on this define classes feature and label each classes differently. Click on that one. Now go to SQL query, and SQL query contour, click on contour prices and equal to get unique value, which is 500. Double click on it. Now OK, and here you can label field is contour. Now apply this properties on study area, and here you will bold it and click on OK, and here go to remove the selected feature from there, clear the selected feature, and that here you can see if I change this color, now here you can see the contour interval is specific, such like that. of 500 meter to this study area. You can see that the interval is 500 of meter, but you can change accordingly to your study area and prepare such type of map in GIS software. So I hope you will learn this, how to generate high quality contour in GIS software.